That sounds clear, clean, low end blow, man. That's crazy. It's just really windy and you don't have any fall off. I really like that. Thank you for the demo, man.
No, it's got a good bandwidth.
Good bandwidth, high and low?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I do a 59.9 on 117K.
Wow.
So I'm on the 60s.
Okay.
So I'm doing 217K.
Yes, sir. Man, oh gosh. Awesome. I'm gonna go look in the back. Yeah. Oh yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. What amps?
2 Crescendo 6Ks.
Oh, okay.
I usually run a 17K.
Okay.
So
Yes, sir. All right.
I'm gonna go 217.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Do you know your tunings on it?
25 and 50, but I built this box for some Scars, EVXs, so I'm sure my top 40 is not 50.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
In the 40s.
Okay. Nice. Have you done any SPL tests on it?
Right now I'm doing a 56.3 at about 35 hertz on the 6Ks. I do a 59.9 on 117K.
Wow.
So I'm on the 60s.
Okay.
So I'm doing 217.
Yes, sir. Man, oh gosh. Awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Can we go?
What? It was 99 cents. $20 in my I threw that luggage. one man granddad. It was 99 cents. So it was 99 cents.
That sounds clear, clean, low end blow, man. That's crazy. It's just really windy and you don't have any fall off. I really like that. Thank you for the demo, man.
No, it's got a good bandwidth.
Good bandwidth, high and low?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.